Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. This is division on the Abacus short video episode number 4. These are our questions for this episode. Okay, this is my marked dot. Let's start. First, you have to place your dividend on the Abacus. 1, 3, 6. Our dividend is on the Abacus. This is our first question. So let's start. So first you have to take 1. 1 is smaller than divisor. In this case you have to take 2 digits. So you have to take 1, 3, 13. Okay. 13 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2. Your answer is 6. Place your answer. 2, 6 are 1, 3, 30. Okay. Finished. Take another number here. This is 6. 6 divided by 2. Your answer is 3. Okay. 2 3s are 6. And dividend is finished. And here is your answer. 6 and 3, 63. This is your marked dot and your answer finished on the marked dot. Okay. This is techniques of division. If you want to learn this technique in detail, you have to watch full explained episode. Please check my playlist, and in this channel you can watch episodes in 4 different languages: Nepali, English, Hindi, Japanese, and silent abacus also available, and flash mathematics exercises is also available. Please check my playlist. Okay, and please do not comment on my English language. Let's go to another question. Okay, reset your abacus. 148, our dividend. 148. Place your dividend on the abacus. Take 1. 1 is smaller than divisor. In this case, you have to take 2 digits. 1, 4, 14. Okay. 14 divided by 4. Your answer is 3. 4 3s are 1, 2, 12. Okay. Next. Now you have to take this 8 also. And 2, 8, 28 is on your abacus. 28 divided by 4, 7. 4 7s are 2, 8, 28. Okay, dividend is finished. Now your answer is on your abacus. 3 and 7, 37. Division is equal to subtraction. Multiplication is equal to addition. If you don't know how to do addition and subtraction on the abacus, you can't do multiplication and division on the abacus. So if you want to learn, you have to start from the very beginning level exercises without techniques. Addition and subtraction on the abacus episode is on my channel. Please check. Okay, check my playlist, and all episodes are in 4 different languages. Okay, please check my channel description box or playlist. Okay, and please do not comment on my English language. And if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and see you in next episode. Ta-da!